If you already know your product's nutrition, our template pages make it easy to format a compliant label. There's a field for all the components of the nutrition label, and all you have to do is type in your data. In this case, I'm recreating this bag of Cheetos. As I fill in the fields, they're automatically updated on the template. What makes Recipal's label templates unique is that we give you full customization, so you could choose to hide or show different sections. For example, I can add a barcode onto the label that I created. We also give you control over the style. In this case, I'm turning on compact vitamins to match the style that I want, and I'm going to adjust the width to make it a little smaller to better fit my packaging. If you decide you want to change the style of the label, Recipal has all of the FDA and CFIA label formats, and we even have the simplified formats as well. Once everything looks good, you can download your label either as a PDF, PNG, or you can get code to embed it on the website. That's all it takes. Enter in the fields, adjust the style, and download a compliant label.